Hello friends, welcome back here, and today we are going to unbox the NDA Pathfinder book which I have bought for 441, and you can see this, it's been packed properly over here. You can see cool packing has been done. So let's gonna do the unboxing of this. You can see that properly it has been packed. The condition of the book is too much properly. You see the NDA Pathfinder, and the print price of this is 735 rupees, and I have bought this for 441 only from Amazon. India Pathfinder. They have been giving some school bookstores strips over here, and this is the bill for the book. Amazon. You can see how the 441 has been written there. If you also want this book, I will be giving the description link. So thank you friends, subscribe my channel.